to make dalgona matcha. Something a little different. Instead of the coffee version, we're gonna do the matcha version. Okay, so let's start with what ingredients we need. We're gonna need egg white. Okay, so let's crack this. We're just gonna need the egg whites. You're gonna need 1/4 cup of sugar and then 1/4 of water. Okay, we're gonna let that boil. It's on. Waiting for that to boil. We're just gonna keep whisking away at this. Whisk away. I don't have an electric mixer, so I'm gonna use manual mixer. Manual is me. My arm is getting tired. Okay, we're gonna slowly add that water and sugar that we had boiled. Okay, put over here. Apat sa uka. Okay, mix it, mix it.
Mother dear.
Then we add slowly your matcha. I'm using at least 1 tablespoon of matcha. Slowly, a little bit at a time. Add that. Oh. It's gonna take a while to mix this because it's manual. Manual. We're gonna whip this manually. Manually. Oh my god. My arm is killing me. It's an arm workout. If you want an arm workout, this is it. Ready. Check out the consistency. It's getting there. It's getting there. The consistency. Yep, it should kind of look like this. The consistency. A little fluffy. I did it. I did it. Okay. I think that's good enough. So that's our dalgona matcha mix. Alright, let's get our milk. Ice, water. Add a little milk. Milk into that. And then start putting in your dalgona matcha on top of that. Put this in here. A little bit there. In. This should be a good for at least 2 servings. Yes. Here is the final product. My dalgona matcha drink. Hope you try it and enjoy. Please like and subscribe.